In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a credit card from Shopify. If you've been using Shopify for a while, you've probably entered a credit card at some point for billing purposes. But what happens when you no longer want that card associated with your account? Whether you've switched banks, changed credit cards, or simply prefer another payment method, it's important to know how to update your billing information to maintain smooth operations of your online store. Luckily, Shopify makes it straightforward to adjust these settings. To get started, head over to your Shopify admin page. On the dashboard, you'll notice a variety of options and tools designed to help you manage your store with ease. But today, let's focus on the bottom left part of the page. This is where you'll find the Settings option. Clicking on Settings will open up a new menu filled with various customization options for your store. These range from account details to themes and much more, but we're zeroing in on something specific. Within these settings, look for the Billing section and give it a click. The Billing section is designed specifically for managing your shop's financial details, a pivotal aspect of running an e-commerce business. It is here you'll find everything related to your payments, including a list of your active methods of payment. This can encompass credit cards, bank accounts, or any other methods you've linked to your Shopify store. When you click on Billing, you should see a section detailing all the payment methods you currently have on file. These are the accounts that Shopify will use to charge you for its services. If the credit card you wish to remove is among these methods, simply click on the payment option to begin the removal process. Shopify will display the payment information associated with that method, along with other options. Removing a payment method is designed to be straightforward. Typically, next to or beneath the payment details, you'll spot an option that allows you to remove it. This option is your gateway to deleting the current credit card details from your Shopify account. Once you click to remove, Shopify may ask you to verify this action just to ensure it wasn't a mistake. Follow any prompts that appear to confirm your choice. And just like that, you've successfully removed your credit card from Shopify. It's a simple process that helps ensure your payment methods are always up to date. Regularly updating your billing information can prevent any disruptions in service and make sure your online business operates smoothly. Remember, if you decide to add a new payment method or re-enter a card at a later date, you can do so in the same section. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Shopify billing with confidence.